Hey guys, so it's the morning, waiting for a bus as usual, got work as usual, you know, normal stuff. But anyway, yeah, I'm waiting for the bus and I'm so tired, but I don't know why I'm this tired. I'm in bed early-ish, midnight-ish, that's early, right? So yeah, but anyway, yeah, I'm still really tired. But anyway, I've got G for my bag to have it later, or whenever I want. Try to have it now actually, but I do think I need it in the morning. I'm really tired. We'll see what happens, but yeah, today it's just editing day. Edit the film thing, that's it. And also, I've been collecting the Mesh video, so edit that at lunch if I have time, if I haven't done the day vlog yet. So yeah, we have to find that out in the morning. If I do day vlog, schedule it in the morning, then it's fine. If I don't, I'll do it in the afternoon. So yeah, so we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, just editing really. It's editing, so yeah, see what happens. But Carl got a day off, I'm really annoyed. I haven't, and had a dream, me having a half a day off, I completely forgot. Finger crossed that happens, yeah, but it's fine, but finger crossed. But yeah, anyway, I could go work, so I'll see you guys most likely after, so I'll see you guys then. So guys, we've worked now, and yeah, all day just editing really, my video, that's all I've been doing. I'm so tired looking at the screen as well though, so I'm not gonna look at my screen often when I get home. I'm gonna go to Kyle's, don't know what to eat, clothes are in the freezer. We both have got a bunch of money. And yeah, I don't know. Let's just get home, relax, it's sunny, I'm hot. I got a slight headache, probably looking at a computer screen all day, that's why. But yeah, let's just chill. Back at Kyle's now guys, and it's so hot outside. So hot everywhere, why? Just why? Oh, I got pulled by that for day vlog, but why so hot? So guys, I know I haven't vlogged anything really since I got to Kyle's, but went to shop, got like 1 or 2 things for dinner. We had dinner, yeah, I had chicken on the move. I don't know, but yeah, had chicken steak on burger and that, and coke fries. And my laptop was playing, well not playing up, Kyle's dad was fixing it, the charge port, and then things broke on it, and then it all fixed now. But anyway, yeah, and then we've just been chilling watching Stranger Things, and yeah, just been chilling. So no, I'm not got anything, but that's what I did. And also, I feel sick, and I don't know why. I don't know why, but I feel really sick. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I could go to bed now. Hopefully I'll feel better in the morning or something. So if you enjoy this vlog, hit fuzz if you enjoy it. And good night. I'll see you tomorrow with another daily vlog. Hopefully the day vlogger. Hopefully. And bye. Bye guys. I didn't mean to, but yeah, bye.